How to remove contacts from Telegram on iPhone. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to remove contacts from it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this, after opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to remove contacts from Telegram on iPhone, tap onto contacts just right here at the bottom, select it. Then here you can find the contacts right here that you have on your iPhone. Now to remove it, simply keep on tapping on one of these contacts, just like this. Then here you can find delete contact option just right here. Now select it. Then tap on to delete contact and confirm it. And now we can see the contact has been deleted. And now do the same process to remove the contacts from your iPhone. And that's it. This is how you can remove contacts from Telegram on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.